Hello guys, welcome to your English class. My name is Perla and I hope you enjoy and you learn a lot today. So remember that you have to write your own notes about the topic, and if you have any question or any doubt, please write it and let me know through the virtual class. So today we are going to work on page 104 and page 105 from your book Stopwatch 1. We are going to learn a little bit about culture. The objective for this unit is students will be able to talk about Vietnam. Have you have you ever heard about this country? Well, before to answer these pages, I would like to give you some facts about this country. So, as a homework, you have to write these three questions and also answer. What is the official name of Vietnam? What is the official language of Vietnam? And what is the capital city of Vietnam? So remember, as a homework, you have to answer the following questions. What is the official name of Vietnam? What is the official language of Vietnam? And what is the capital city of Vietnam? So I'm going to give you some facts about this country. What do you know about Vietnam? Do you know something about this country? Yes or no? If your answer was yes, please share what do you know about Vietnam during the virtual class. So, where is it? Vietnam is located on the southern and eastern portion of the Indo-Chinese Peninsula and belongs to the Southeast Asia. So please look at the map. Where is Vietnam? Can you find it? Yes, here is Vietnam. Excellent. Okay, my personal favorite interesting fact about this country is that it has an S shape. Yes, pay attention. If you observe, Vietnam has an S shape. Yes? Okay, the Kingdom of Motorbikes. Vietnam is called in that way because, as you can observe in the picture, there are many motorbikes in this country. So that's why it's called the Kingdom of Motorbikes. Can you cross your fingers as in the picture? Yes or no? If your answer was yes, please pay attention to this very interesting fact. Crossing your fingers is super rude in this country, so don't do it. I repeat, don't cross your fingers to a Vietnamese because it's seen as obscene gesture. On Tao, the Vietnamese good of the kitchen. Yes, Vietnam is the only country we know of that has its own deity for the kitchen. His name is On Tao, the kitchen god. White skin, like in the picture, is considered perfection. Everyone is called Nguyen, even Uncle Ho. Ho Chi Minh and Nguyen, pronounced Nguyen, are the two most common names you'll see everywhere in Vietnam. They eat what most of the Westerns consider pets, dog meat. Yes, Vietnam is the second largest consumer of dog meat, with nearly 5 million of dogs being killed. Dog meat is believed to bring good fortune in Vietnamese culture. Would you like to try this dog meat? Yes or no? Some gifts are considered bad luck. For example, the yellow flowers. Vietnamese flag has a lot of meanings behind it. consisting of a golden star with 5 points. The different points represents farmers, workers, intellectuals, youth, and soldiers. The red background pays tribute to the bloodshed during the wars. Do you like coffee or do you love coffee? Let me tell you that Vietnam is the best place for coffee lovers. Yes, they are the second largest producer of coffee in the world and own approximately 20% of the coffee market share. Vietnamese cuisine is considered amongst the healthiest in the world because they have fresh herbs, a lot of vegetables, and seafood combined with traditional cooking techniques that avoid frying and oils in their food. That's why Vietnamese cuisine is considered amongst the healthiest in the world. Motorbike is the main way of transportation. As I told you before, in most countries, cars and public transportation is the most common way to get around, but not here. That's why they are called the Kingdom of Motorbikes. Po is a national dish in this country. The Lunar New Year is the most important event of the year. More than 3 million people died during the Vietnam War. Around the 16% of the world's species can be found here, and also is the home to the world's largest cave. I'm going to give you some fun facts about Vietnam. The first one is you can drink egg coffee, especially in Hanoi. Number two, the Vietnamese currency is called dong. Number three, according to the ancient Vietnamese folklore, Vietnamese people are descendants of dragons. Number four, there is a local fruit known as the breast milk fruit. And the last one, in a survey, 80% of the people who answered said that they would rather watch the FIFA World Cup instead of going to work. Okay, if you know some facts about Vietnam that I didn't say during this video, please share during the class. Okay, so during the class, we are going to work about in these two pages. In the first one, we are going to read the article and then we are going to correct the option. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6 questions and we are going to read and we are going to answer. Then we are going to read and match. Then we are going to listen and we are going to decide if it's true or false. We have some new words for you. Currency is a form of the money. Weddings, sign wedding, a ceremony to join two people in matrimony. Race, a competition of velocity on a set course. Companies, business. Factory worker, a person who works in a place where they make products and earn to get money in exchange work. So in this video we are going to answer together the we are going to read this text and then we are going to answer during the virtual class. So pay attention. The first one says, it's a small country with a large population. It is home to 90.7 million people. 40% of the Vietnamese people have Nguyen as a family name. It can be difficult to cross the street in Vietnamese because there are three 37 million motorbikes, and only 2 million cars. Many people wear a cone-shaped hat called non-itu to protect them from the sun. The currency in Vietnam is dong. A lot of Vietnamese children have pigs as pets, and the lunar calendar is important in Vietnamese culture. People use it to choose the day for their weddings. So now we are going to continue working during the virtual class. We are going to answer, we are going to match, and we are going to choose the correct answer, true or false. So thank you so much for watching. I see you in the virtual class. I hope you learned something new for this country. And remember, if you know another fact that I didn't say during this video, please share with your classmates, and I'll see you there. Thank you so much and bye bye.